how to pin a comment on TikTok. So first is you have to go to your TikTok application and it will and go to your profile directly. Now choose a photo or a post that you want. Choose a post that you own, you want to pin a comment on. So just tap on that post. Now here on the right side, you will see a a comment icon there. Just tap on the comment icon and choose the comment that you want to pin, and then just long press that and it will come out. This will come out and there should be a pin a comment or pin comment option for you there. Now, as you can see, I don't have any pin comment. Maybe it's not available to my country or there's a bug or a problem with my TikTok. Other option or other reason that you don't have the pin comment option is that your TikTok application is not updated. So all you have to do is to go to your Play Store and just tap on TikTok, and if you'll see an update button, you have to click on that and wait for it to be updated. As you can see, I don't have any update button, which means my TikTok application is updated. Now, if we go back here to TikTok and the pin comment option is still not there, then there might be a problem to your TikTok application. Now, to do that, you may want to go back here to your profile. And on your profile on the upper right, you will see three dash lines there. Just tap on settings and privacy and scroll down to report the problem. So you tap on report a problem, then tell the TikTok community what is your problem, and they will go and take an action around 48 hours. So basically, that is how you pin a comment on TikTok. That is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.